Hi, this is Ryan Gibbons from RE/MAX Real Estate Limited in Oradell, New Jersey, and I'd like to talk to you about a few things that you might want to do before moving into your new house. So it's just some tips, some things to think about to make your move a little more easy, enjoyable, and more efficient. The first thing I always tell my clients is when they buy a new house is to change the locks. It may sound simple, but it's very important. You don't know who's loaned out keys or how many keys for your home there are out there. So you want to make sure that you start fresh. So get a qualified locksmith to come out and change the locks. You don't have to buy new locks. They can simply come out and key new locks for your house. Another important thing that you want to think about is the water shutoff. And if there are any plumbing issues, if you have a leak somewhere, you want to be able to quickly find that and turn off your water. So find that out right away. You might have already found that out in your inspection. You want to test all your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. And again, something that should have been taken care of during inspection, but it's very important. You want to possibly just change all of those batteries and make sure that they're all in working order and you know where they all are. Test your circuit breakers. You want to know what everything controls. Are the circuit breakers labeled? If they're not, I would go through, turn them all off, turn them back on, and understand what does what. And there's usually a little piece of paper there that you can fill in, and it'll tell you exactly what everything does. Find out about your garbage and recycling. When is garbage picked up? How often? Does it change in the summer? Does it change in the winter? And also for your recycling. Do you commingle? Do you have separate bottles and cans? And what about paper pickup? So typically you can go down to your Department of Public Works and get some sort of a schedule. They typically send those out in the end of the year, but you should be able to get a schedule for yourself. You're going to want to change your address. You want to go down to your post office from the place that you're moving from and change your address. So any mail that you have can be forwarded, but also tell your employer, your bank, your credit card, your car payment, anywhere that you might be getting mail on a regular basis. Let them know your new address so all that stuff can get to you. You want to check out your thermostats. Are they programmable? If they are, you want to set that up for your life. You don't know how the people that owned the house before had it set, so you want to set that up for yourself when the air comes on, when it turns off, things like that. Make a fire safety plan, which is very important if you have children in the house. If the kids are in their room, where should they go if the smoke detectors go off? It's very important for children to know very quickly what they should be doing in case of a fire. Find out about the best grocery stores, the best pizza places, where to shop, where to go. If you're in a new neighborhood, you're going to want to do a little research, possibly talk to your agent or the people that you're buying from and find out the places that you should go to get those things. Plan out where everything goes. Where's your silverware going? Where are your sheets going? Where's your furniture going? Make sure you know where those things are. It'll help make this move a little bit smoother and make everything go quickly and efficiently. Get the basics. Go to the grocery store. Get those basics, especially if you're buying your first home. Do you have spices? Do you have butter? Do you have milk? Do you have the essentials? Cleaning supplies, light bulbs, things like that are important to have in the house. Flashlights. So get those basics ahead of time so you're not scrambling when you need them. And lastly, you want to fix any inspection issues that came up during your home inspection. Some of those things are minor and they don't necessarily need to be taken care of quickly, but some of them are. So some of those things that might have come up, you want to take care of those things before you move in. And obviously do any renovations and painting and redoing floors and things like that. So I hope you've enjoyed our tips for today. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me or leave a comment. I hope you enjoyed today. Again, Ryan Gibbons, RE/MAX Real Estate Limited in Oradell, New Jersey. Thank you.